strike from Iran. So I'm hoping that the Iranians aren't foolish enough to do something like that, because they understand we would connect the dots very quickly and we would find a way to retaliate.
Let me ask you, so about those three missions, and many more, of course, that are not as high profile. What is and you write about this in the book, what are the key traits you think you need to handle that kind of pressure?
Well, I was fortunate in that by the time, I was put in charge of these missions, I had a lot of experience under my belt. I had been a Navy SEAL for 26 years when I became an admiral, and then in 2003, when I penned.
Sailing through the heart of the newest fleet, you'll enjoy many extras, including Wi-Fi, cultural
I gave it 2 or 3 months, and fantastically, it actually worked. Something like Viviscal that works. It's 100% drug-free. It's priceless.
For best results, we'll send you a full 3-month supply, and you'll only pay $39.99 now to get started, and shipping is free. You'll also get our Nourishing Healthy Hair Kit, a $100 value, free. If you don't absolutely love your results, just send it back, and all these gifts are yours to keep. Viviscal is in stores everywhere, but this special offer is only available by calling or going to viviscal.com.
Sandals. At last, an all-inclusive that truly includes it all. Sandals, the world's only 5-star luxury included resorts. Save up to 65%. Call 1-800-SANDALS.
Do you love wearing powerful sunscreen? Yes. Neutrogena Ultra Sheer unbeatable protection helps prevent early skin aging and skin cancer with a clean feel. The best for your skin. Ultra Sheer. Neutrogena.
I had a few good tricks to help hide my bladder leak pad, like the old tunic tuck. But always discreet is less bulky, and it really protects, because it turns liquid to gel. So I have nothing to hide. Always discreet.
Did you know the same hotel room can have many different prices? That's why TripAdvisor searches over 200 booking sites to find the lowest price on the hotel you want. Your perfect hotel room for the perfect price. TripAdvisor.
I will shortly leave the job which has been the honour of my life to hold. The second female Prime Minister, but certainly not the last. I do so with no ill will, but with enormous and enduring gratitude to have had the opportunity to serve the country I love.
On Friday, in front of number 10 Downing Street, Theresa May signaled the end of her embattled almost 3-year reign as Britain's Prime Minister. So, what happens now? Who might the next Prime Minister be? Joining me now is Ellen Barry, Chief International Correspondent for the New York Times. Ellen, it strikes me that the story is a story of a kind of series of miscalculations. Theresa May begins